subscribe. Let's draw Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Hi friends, I'm Thomas. Merry Christmas! Today, let's draw Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yay! First, draw a potato-shaped head. Next, draw one leaf on each side for the ears. Now let's draw the horns, a long curve, and a W on each side. Then connect them to the head. Cute! Lastly, give him the big eyes by drawing a small circle, and then a big circle outside. Color the inside of the bigger circle. Then draw a W for the mouth. But of course, let's not forget Rudolph's big red nose. Yay! It's Rudolph! You did it! Good job! Let's draw again next time. Bye! Please like and subscribe.